Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by prepping the block. Remove the cover and stack the pages square. Once done, tap the bottom edge on a flat surface to settle pages tight. This reduces gaps when gluing. Make sure to leave about 1/4 inch exposed at the spine for glue absorption. Next, clamp the book with binder clips and add 2 pieces of cardboard to protect the pages. These first steps lock the pages so glue bonds evenly. Do them precisely to avoid a crooked spine. You now glue and reinforce. With the book clamped, brush one even coat of PVA glue up and down the spine, pushing glue into the page edges so it penetrates. Then press a strip of linen or book cloth over the wet glue to form a durable hinge. This prevents splitting. Once placed, smooth air bubbles and add a second thin coat for strength. Make sure to let the assembly cure under weight for 2 to 4 hours so the glue fully sets and bonds the pages. You finish by reattaching the cover. Trim excess cloth flush with the spine, apply a thin bead of PVA to the inside spine and press the cover in place, aligning top and bottom edges. Clamp gently and set under weight for 4 to 6 hours so the bond cures fully. If you notice shifting, make sure clamps were tight and repeat a thin glue pass. If the spine cracks later, open and add a strip of paper inside to bridge the seam. This quick fix restores strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.